Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 4 and the chapter name is Our Festivals. Now in this chapter we will see that which festivals we are celebrating throughout the year. So let's start to teach about the page number 57. So please take out your pencil. Before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludos, Carrom, video games. In fact, you can complete your online classes also. You can complete the homework which you received on the online classes homework, and you can revise the SST also as well as English also. And please don't waste the time. Please use the time. And if you have not completed your holiday homework, then please complete it, because we all know that we are in because these all holiday homework marks it will add in your term 1 exam. And please stay at home, because we all know that we are in very pandemic situations, disease like COVID-19, because this virus, maybe for this virus we will die also. So it's better that we can enjoy and we can enjoy at home, and we can enjoy the time with family members. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and please use the time, don't waste the time, and please complete your all homework, because once school will open, because I have all the records and you have to show me all the homework. So it's better that you can complete your all homework in your fair copy. And till chapter 13 I hope that you have completed. If today I will finish the chapter 14, then these all homework I will upload on the website of Fort International School, so you can go there and check your homework. Now let's start the chapter. So page number 56, here is some questions are there that we will do in book only, no need to do in copy. And if you have the book, then please open. If you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Now let's start the page number 57, the topic of festivals. The first question is, tick the correct answers. What are the children doing in the picture above? Means above picture, these all children, what they are doing? Celebrating, feeling sad, or fighting? So which answer is correct? First of all, you look at the picture. See, these four all what they are doing in this picture. They are celebrating the festival, they are feeling sad, or they are fighting. Then you can see that they all are happy and they all are celebrating. So the answer is, what the children's doing in the picture above, then the answer is celebrating. You can tick on celebrating. The first option, celebrating. Second is, how do they look? Means what their face expressions are doing. Happy, sad, and worried. Then you can see their face that all are what? All are laughing and all are happy. So they all looks what? Happy. Then you can tick the happy. The second answer is happy. Third question, are they meeting each other with love? Yes or no? Means are they meeting with their loves or not? Then the answer is yes. They are loving and they are meeting with love each other. Are they having fun? Yes or no? Then the answer is yes, they all have fun with each other. Are they wearing new clothes? Then yes. Then the answer is yes. Again I am repeating, please see. If you have not completed, then please complete it again. First question, what are the children doing in the picture above? Answer is celebrating. They are celebrating the festival. How they look? Happy, sad, worried. Then the answer is happy. They all looked happy. Third is, are they meeting each other with love? Then the answer is yes. They all meeting with each other with love. Next is, are they having fun? Answer is yes, they all having fun with each other. Are they wearing new clothes? Yes, answer is yes, they all wearing new clothes. The picture above shows children celebrating a festival. So the above picture, the 4 children are there. It means what? The children is what they are celebrating. They are celebrating the festivals together. Next page, page number 58. A festival is the time for religious or other celebration. Festival is what? It is the time for religious. Religious means religious festival are there like Diwali, Eid, Guru Purv, then Christmas Day. These all is Christmas. So these all is what? It's a religious festivals or maybe other festivals. So on festivals, in festivals time, we all just enjoying with love. We all enjoy with fun with the families and friends. So festival is what? It is the time for religious or other celebrations. People visit families and friends and exchange sweets and presents. So in festivals time, the people what? They visit families house and friends house. In fact, they exchange the sweets and presents also. They exchange the sweets or they exchange the gifts also. Means they just give the gifts also. They wish to each other. They just hug to each other. So these festivals time, the people is what? They visit the family's house and they celebrating the festivals with their families and friends. People like to wear new clothes and special foods on festivals. We celebrate many festivals in India. So people what? Most people what? They wear the new clothes on festivals time. In fact, they eat a very special foods because on festivals day we eat the different types of new foods is there. In fact, the special foods is there on festivals, and we celebrate many festivals in India. In fact, we celebrate lots of festivals in India. So first of all is what? Diwali. We celebrate what? Diwali, and it is an important festival of Hindus. So Diwali is what? It is what? It is important festival of Hindus. It's a religious festival and Hindu is celebrating the festival of Diwali. So it is the important festival of the Hindus. It is a festival of light. In fact, Diwali is also called a festival of lights. Diwali is also called a festival of lights. We decorate our homes with candles, lamps and light. So in Diwali what we decorate? In fact, we decorate our house with candles, with diyas, with lamps, with different types of lights are there. For that we are just decorating our house so that it looks very beautiful, and because it's the festival of lights, that's we are decorating our house with lights like candles, lamps and lights and diyas. We pray to goddess Lakshmi on Diwali. So on Diwali what? We pray to goddess Lakshmi. Then after we just what? We are just burning the candles and lights. So after the prayer of goddess Lakshmi. So people burn crackers on Diwali. Yes, the people what? Especially they burn the crackers on Diwali. So burning crackers pollutes the air. It's true. So what? If we can burn the crackers on Diwali, first of all sounds will create and the smoke will produce. So here what? We have noise pollution also and we have air pollution also. So if we can burn any crackers, then it can pollute the air also and it can produce the noise pollution also. For that's why what? We have to avoid to burn the crackers on Diwali. Because if we can stop burning the crackers, then we can save our earth and our earth become a greenery earth, and we can save the earth also. So for saving the earth, please don't burn crackers, because it just pollute the air and it just create the noise pollution, so that our earth will distract and it will means our earth will pollute. So it's better that we have to save our earth. For that, please don't burn the crackers on Diwali. Do you think we should burn we should burn them? No, it's not that we should burn them, because it creates the noise pollution and it also pollutes the air. So for save our earth, we should not burn the crackers on Diwali. It's better that we can enjoy, that we can go the families and friends house, we can just eat the special foods and we can talk and we can dance, sing, so that we can enjoy the Diwali on these occasions, festivals on the with families and friends without using the burning crackers on Diwali. Next topic, Eid, that we will see in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2 and please stay happy at home. Please don't go outside. Thank you and have a nice day.